Hey guys, welcome to your Flip It lesson. I'm Mr. Skelton. So today we're going to talk about integers. So you can see what we have drawn up there is a positive 1, which is going to be a black circle like what's underneath, and a negative 1, which is a red circle. So that is the color coding for this lesson. So right away, we're going to just quickly talk about a zero pair. Now what a zero pair is when you have one positive and one negative, which together equal 0. So you can see that what we already have drawn up there is in fact a zero pair. So I want to try to make this a little harder already. So what we're going to do is we're going to go positive 2 in brackets, because with integers we always have them in brackets, plus negative 1. So some of you might be able to just look at this and understand what the answer is. And if you do, that's great. And if you can't, that's okay too. So the first thing that we're just going to quickly talk about is that what we want is to draw positive 2. So there is our positive 2. And then we're going to add to that a negative 1. So we can just draw our negative 1. So that's how we would show this using models to add or subtract integers. So you can see right there that you have a positive and a negative, which would create 1, 0 pair. So I'm just going to group them together. And they will cancel each other out. So because of that, we are left with positive 1. Now, that would tell us that the answer to this question is in fact positive 1, because if you have two positives and then you have to add one negative, you do in fact only have one positive. So that's just a quick, easy way to use the models. Obviously, if you don't need the models, that's all right too, but models are a very good way to understand integers, and I hope you guys enjoyed this Flip It lesson.